Google Research recently released a remarkable paper showcasing a cutting-edge text-to-video generator named Lumiere. The accompanying video demo is nothing short of fascinating, presenting an unparalleled state-of-the-art in text-to-video generation. Let's delve into the reasons behind its excellence. Google presents Lumiere, a groundbreaking text-to-video diffusion model designed to achieve realistic, diverse, and coherent motion in video synthesis. Lumiere introduces a SpaceTime UNet architecture, generating the entire temporal duration of a video in a single pass, in contrast to existing models that struggle with global temporal consistency. The model utilizes both spatial and temporal down- and upsampling, incorporating a pre-trained text-to-image diffusion model for enhanced generative capabilities. Let's see some features which defines state-of-the-art of text-to-video generation. Stylized generation. Using a single reference image, Lumiere can generate videos in the target style by utilizing fine-tuned text-to-image model weights. Video stylization. With Lumiere, off-the-shelf text-based image editing methods can be used for consistent video editing. Graphs. The Lumiere model is able to animate the content of an image within a specific user-provided region. Video in painting. Here we can see that the model is able to animate the content of an image within a specific user-provided region. It is definitely really effective to watch. Some highlights showcasing the capabilities of this model. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching.